What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. And today, guys, this is going to be a super quick video, but just wanted to help you guys out because I was having this issue and I needed to get it fixed and needed to figure it out. So this is how you fix this issue. All right, so guys, let me go and show you guys the loading circle of death. All right, guys, so we got the loading circle of death right now. This is not cool. This is on Matic. I cannot make any transfers. I can't transact any funds. I can't basically tend the farms, as you can call it, on the Matic network. So this is not a lot of fun. Let me show you guys an example. So I enter the app. I'm just showing you guys like Sushi Swap, for example, or better yet, Quick Swap. Let me just show you guys Quick Swap. I'm trying to make a stinking swap, and I can't make a swap because my Matic thing is just busted. So here, let me swap my wrap Matic to Matic. Okay, let's do this. Max, unwrap. Oh yeah, it's not showing up. I got an issue. This literally stinks. So what do you do? How do you fix this? I got a stinking loading circle of death. Well, you need to add a new custom RPC. You need to re-add a different Matic, I guess you can say server, because they have different nodes. Well, not server, it's called a node. So maybe this node is down at this time. I'm not too sure. But when you put in a custom RPC, okay, I need to switch networks to get off this. All right, so let's go on Robson so we can do this junk. All right, so you see this section right here where it says new RPC URL, chain ID, etc. This is where you're going to need to add a new network. So what I did is, this is the Matic network that I added. Now, after I added it, it lets me use it. Boom. Now I can make the swap. Basically, what I needed to do was add a new RPC. So let me show you guys on the Matic section. So this is the new Matic mainnet. This is the one that I set up and that I linked up. So now I can go ahead and unwrap my tokens. So all I had to do was add the new custom RPC. I can make the swap and it works now. That's it, guys. Now let me show you guys how to add the new RPC. That's probably what you're asking about. I'll leave a link in the description below. But basically you just do custom RPC and type in all this information here. The reason why this is different is because I have this HTTPS RPC-matic.mainnet or mainnet.matic.network. So it's a little bit different than the other RPC. They do have other RPCs, but this is the one that is currently working right now. So if you're having the same issue I was, type in this junk. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you guys need to know how to do it, super easy. You click on Metamask, you go here, scroll down, custom RPC, type in that junk, hit save, and your funds will still show up on the Matic mainnet, even though the other one is not working. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys liked the video, if I helped you guys out in the issue that you may have been having, make sure to smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And guys, let's leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 27, verses 26. The lambs will provide you with clothing, and the goats with the price of a field. I agree. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.